Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best silhouette machines on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Silhouette Cameo 4 with Bluetooth. Cameo 4 is the best thing to happen to advanced crafters. This 12-inch wide desktop cutting machine has 20 times more force than the former models to give efficient cuts on vinyl, fabric, cardstock, wood, metal, leather, and more. It not only works impeccably in cutting straight lines, but is also twice as fast in handling the curve cuts. Plus, you get 3mm clearance to the materials, which is also better than its sibling Cameo 3. The built-in crosscutter is very effective in trimming vinyl or transferring heat from the roll. Not to forget the backlit touch panel, which makes accessing the machine's features exceptionally simple. I must say that a lot has been improved in this model, including the dual carriage with which you can use tools like a deep cut crafting blade and a rotary blade. Being a Silhouette user myself, I can say that cutting rate, quality, and power has definitely gone up with this model. And of course, you also get a 12 inches cutting mat with every purchase made with Silhouette. Pros: super easy vinyl roll feeder. Gives fast and accurate cuts. The touch interface is highly responsive and fast. Compatible with a wide variety of materials. Cons: not compatible with old Cameo tools. Number 2. Our second best pick is Silhouette Portrait 3. Weighing in at a meager 3.5 pounds, the Silhouette Portrait 3 is often referred to as the little brother of the Cameo 3. This makes it perfect for small projects. As such, it is a favorite among beginners. To enable wireless cutting, this Silhouette Portrait cutting machine features Bluetooth technology. Users of this machine also appreciate its pick-skin technology that allows you to make designs from pictures. Alternatively, you can easily make designs using the Silhouette Studio Designer software. It is also worth mentioning that this machine comes with 50 exclusive digital designs. Some of the materials that the Silhouette Portrait 3 can cut include vinyl, paper, cardstock, fabric, craft foam, rhinestone, balsa wood, and leather. Pros: light and portable. Easy to use. Doesn't require an internet connection to cut. Can cut materials of up to 10 feet long. Allows for wireless cutting. Cons: can't cut materials with width greater than 8 inches. Has few options when it comes to vinyl and cutting mat sizes. Has no touch screen, SD card reader, and barcode scanning. Number 3. Our third best pick is Silhouette Mint. As its name suggests, this machine comes with Silhouette's Mint Studio software. This amazing software allows you to create your own designs and even import an image that you can use to make a custom stamp. This custom stamp maker allows you to make stamps in a matter of minutes. When it comes to creating a stamp, there are several steps that the Silhouette Mint custom stamp maker performs before it comes up with a final product. These include designing the stamp, minting it, and inking it before you can finally use it. Due to the way in which ink is applied to this stamp, you are able to stamp up to 50 times until you have to reapply the ink. Ultimately, this Silhouette stamp maker is really good at what it does. It is worth noting that it comes with 4 ink bottles and 2 stamp blanks. Pros: easy to use. Comes with convenient design software. Unlike traditional stamps, it doesn't require regular ink reapplication. Can make multicolored stamps. Its base is reusable. Really quiet and quick. Cons: small fonts are difficult to read. It is more expensive to create a stamp this way than just to buy one. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Silhouette Cameo 4 Plus. The Cameo 4 Plus is undoubtedly the best option for anyone who needs a Silhouette machine for larger projects or craft businesses. This 15-inch wide desktop cutter is a broader version of Cameo 4 with 20 times more cutting force than Cameo 3 for more accurate and efficient cuts on wider pieces of materials like fabric, vinyl, leather, wood, and more. Users love its bigger cutting area and the 3mm clearance that allows it to cut thicker materials, as well as the wide 15-inch inbuilt roll feeder that makes loading and cutting rolled materials as easy as a breeze. The machine also features a 15-inch wide inbuilt cross cutter that allows its users to trim heat transfer or vinyl right from the roll smoothly and easily. The Cameo 4 Plus new dual motor system allows you to make a clean and intricate cut in two distinct ways. The carriage one and the solenoid motor give it the ability to make a smooth and accurate cut or sketches irrespective of the intricacy of your design and at a speed that is 3 times faster than its predecessor. Pros: larger cutting area, fast and accurate cuts, user-friendly, compatible with a wide range of materials. Cons: ship with no user manual. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Silhouette Cameo 4 Pro. The Silhouette Cameo 4 Pro is the latest in the line of Silhouette cutting machines. It has all of the features of the Cameo 4, plus some added features that make it perfect for professional use. The Pro version has a larger cutting area and can cut thicker materials than the standard Cameo 4. It also includes a built-in cross cutter, so you can cut multiple pieces of material at the same time. The Silhouette Cameo 4 Pro is the perfect tool for any professional who needs a reliable, high-quality cutting machine. Pros: it is an easy-to-use machine that is versatile and can cut a variety of materials. The machine comes with a built-in touch screen that makes it easy to see what you are doing and make adjustments on the fly. The Cameo 4 Pro can cut materials up to 12 inches wide and 10 feet long, making it a great choice for larger projects. Cons: the machine can be a bit pricey for some people. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.